Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you a classic rural train station in China. We are in the rural areas of China, but this is the train station of the rural areas in China. So come with me as I show you how it looks like from the inside to the outside. The trains that pass through here. Come with me, let me show you. Come, follow me, let me show you. Look at that. Just look at that. So this is in the rural parts of China. I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. And the train station comes from that side, as you can see. And yeah, here, that's the train station. And looks like this. This one is leaving, the train is leaving.
列车停靠6号站台，请旅客们按照站台上地标指示的车厢位置排队等候，不要越过安全带线，注意安全。带小孩的旅客请照看好。
And the train station goes to the other side of the
不
rails.
要在站台上奔跑，
Look at that.
注意安全，以免发生意外。工作人员请做好接车准备。
This is how it looks like. So we're in the rural areas and there's no like a lot of people at this train station. So it's kind of empty. And yeah, I think there's a train coming there. The train is not coming. That one. That's the train coming there. It's actually beautiful, as you can see. So there's 3 bays here. One over there, the one in the middle, and this one right here. The train is already here. Look how big it is. It goes down there. Just look at that. Okay, let's go. So it's in the rural areas, as you can see. So this is in Jiangmen, which is a rural area in Guangdong province. It's a rural area in Guangdong province. This is how it looks like. It's empty here.